Christmas is definitely here. Look at all the Christmas stuff. So we just picked up a few tools. They're not all up there. There's a few things we have to get on the street. But now we're gonna take a walk in here and see if we can get some clothes, maybe some new sandals and a couple shirts or something. So we did a pretty good job here. We got some sandals, some drawers, 2 jeans, 2 shirts, 2 sweaters, and a hat.
Oh no, wala na lugi sa
Requesting Sanyang promo, please proceed to customer service counter. Sanyang promo to CS, please.
Alright, so we're just leaving Metro, and they said there should be a hardware store nearby to get the rest of the tools. So we're gonna hook Macareo up with a drill and then some drill bits. I'm gonna go over everything at the end of the video, but this is good when he's nailing into the bamboo so he doesn't crack the bamboo. Sometimes if you just nail it without making a hole, it'll crack. So with this, the bamboo won't have cracks in it. Alright, so we're getting there. We're gonna try to make one more stop, get some nails, and I think that's about it for Toledo. Maybe here. Here's for the nails, 100, 1 kilo. This is for the butane. We got 4 containers for 300. Alright, so the last thing. So Macareo is changing. So he's gonna try on some of his new clothes. So while he's doing that, we just got him 5 kilos of rice, which is $2.45. So we're gonna head back now and see how he looks in his new outfit.
Great.
Okay. All right, ready, Shadow? Bye, Shadow. You gonna run with us? Alright guys, so we just got back to Macareo's place, and I'll go over some of the things we got and talk to Macareo for a minute, and I guess I'll just turn around. He just got dressed into some of his new stuff. Voila! How do you feel, bro?
Bruno Mars?
Bruno Mars.
Yep.
Is that you?
He has really good taste.
Michael Jackson?
One song. When I see your face.
Billie G.
I like the hat. Everything fits together perfectly.
Yeah, it's a combination of Bruno Mars and Michael Jackson. I mean Michael Jackson.
I really like his taste though.
Yeah.
So he got that outfit, and then he also has one more. Maybe you can hold these up for us so we can see. So his jacket, I like his taste. And then another shirt.
T-shirt.
And then some pants. So very cool. I like this shirt too. Nice. Very cool. And then the most important thing, I love finding workers that are very, very talented and hardworking, and you know, just help them improve what they already have. So now with these tools, he can continue on and make his jobs a little bit easier. Like a lot of this stuff before, he never had Have you ever had power drill before or a drill like that before?
First time pa nimo karon.
Oo, pero nakagamit ko na dili ko Hindi nanghulam na ko ba.
So wala jud kay imo ha?
Wala.
He never had it.
He never had one before?
Yeah.
Okay. And with this, you know, if you work with bamboo or any kind of wood that's especially thin, it cracks if you just nail it. So with this, you can drill the hole in the bamboo or any type of wood that he uses, and then he puts the nail in and then it won't crack. So that's a huge thing, especially when he's working with bamboo all the time. So that's a really cool thing that, you know, he's never had one before, and, you know, now he does. So this would be a huge thing. And also that's cordless, so he can bring with him. And I believe there's 2 batteries in there, so he can, you know, charge it and go with him. And then keep going.
Oh, check out this one.
Yeah, hey, where's your old one at?
Asa to imong daan tay?
It's out there. If you remember seeing it, it was rusty and just hard to go in and out. So
it's
now
broken this
we got a new
part.
one. Oh, okay.
Yeah, and the number here is not really.
You can't really read it. So anyways, it was much needed. So we got him this, and then some underwear, of course. But then we got him one of these for butane, which if you've seen the other video when he was making it, I cut out a lot of the parts, but he was having trouble with his. So we got enough of these to last for a while, and then a nice saw, nice very sharp saw, and then lots of nails, and then a paintbrush.
And I think Jason's furniture will be the first one.
The very first one. So he has a big job ahead of him. We just ordered, I think, like 3 chairs, a table, a bamboo bench, 2 beds, and like a TV set stand thing. Yeah. We want to make sure he has the right tools. And then for the materials for that, we already gave him $2,000 down payment for that, so he can go buy the bamboo that he needs. So that's not included into this. But today was such a fun day, picking out everything for him, and now he looks good. He can walk around the town and go out and not worrying about his work clothes, so he can have something to wear out, or he can wear those when he works. These are really nice when you're working in the sun, just to you know, keep it cool. But what do you guys think of his taste? I think he has pretty good taste. I want to see him break out the moonwalk, like, you know, Michael Jackson, like woo.
They have the same song?
It's a different song, but still the same guy. The same guy, though. Same guy.
But we also have.
Yeah, to keep his energy going, we gave him 5 kilos of rice too. So yeah, that's.
That's for you. Dance, Billie Jeans.
Who's your favorite artist? When you work, do you listen to music?
Mga music tayo.
Or do you hum? Do you hum it in your mind sometimes?
What's my favorite singer nimo? Paborito nimong singer?
Kanang mga Bisaya lang ba?
Bisaya.
Bisaya, nice. Do you need Bisaya songs?
Bakag Bisaya ang kanta. Unsa man?
Kanang mga kuan.
Kanang hain na ang utlan.
Oo.
Giganta ko ng 10 ko tayo. Gamay lang.
Well, anyway, this was a really cool day hanging out with you, and got to go out and kind of know him a little bit more. And now he has a really good outfit to wear, either to work or out and about, wherever you want to go. So, yeah. So before we gave him $2,000 to get started, and then once he's finished, of course, we'll pay him for the jobs. And he has a big project to do, so that's awesome. And now, if anybody else does want to hire him, I'll leave the number again in the comments, but or the description. But he did his last video, and we have the number there. So he has a couple jobs that he already finished for Catherine and a few other ones. So I guess we'll let him be.
He will continue that one.
Yeah, he'll continue. Right now, there's 2 chairs done, it looks like, and then he'll continue on to go. But it was really fun hanging out with you. How do you feel to have all this stuff now?
Unsa man imong feeling or mastorya na nakaani mga gamit?
Wag ko kanang wag ko mga ayo kung ipalitan ba na nalipay.
He's very happy.
That's good.
He got new things.
Well, you deserve it, man. You really do deserve it. That was my first time, like, I watched somebody make a bamboo bench like that, and I was, like, amazed. It was really amazing with, like, you know, with the, you know, little tools that he had, it makes something so great. So that's really cool. So hopefully these tools do help you out, and then you can continue on to make more stuff. All right.
Billie Jean.
Mary.
None of us know the words.
All right, bye-bye, Daddy.
All right, we'll see you guys later.